雨口响明镜坊，两小无猜心儿扬。白色银眉月下青草，青梅酒竹马扬，情丝缱绻人儿笑。逍遥携手恰逢春早，月儿凌云知道，一人回眸峨眉娇，哄我笑透幸福的味道。浮云踏绿芭蕉，春光不共流年交，温暖思念人影成双对。山有木兮曲，又一次见新草。细嗅那年，花香指尖绕。朱砂点将清新，笑微风轻摇。林花中少年思念长。山有木兮曲，又一次见新草。细嗅那年，花香指尖绕。朱砂点将清新，笑微风轻摇。林花中少年思念。
In 2017, the former mayor of San Francisco, Ed Lee, named April 14th as the official San Francisco QiPao Day. The San Francisco QiPao Long Scroll is the world's first overseas QiPao scroll, consisting of more than 1,000 people in Chinese watercolor style photography. Miss Sunny Shen, the founder, is committed to promoting traditional Chinese culture, such as QiPao, on a global scale. We are welcoming the 8th SF QiPao Culture Month in 2023 with 7 successful years in a row. Please give a warm welcome to San Francisco International QiPao Fan Dancers.
情丝缱绻人儿笑，逍遥携手恰逢春早。